Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a new product we have in from Firepower. We've got a big inventory of them now, although they're not available yet for the very latest models, the 24, the latest chassis design, 24, 25, 26. So these are all for the previous models. I assume that they'll have some of those out later as we get down the road here a little bit. But now I mounted this one on my 24 TBI. You can see I've got the radiator off of it now. This is my 24 300. And I did that to see if the bulletproof radiator guards will fit. And yes, they do. So that's not an issue. Those radiator guards fit 17 through 26 stock radiators and these radiators. So the features on these, one of the best things about this product is the price point. So the stock radiator, which is this one right here, this one's $300 on the KTM site, and these are $99. Huge price improvement there. And I think it's a better quality radiator. I assume that these are made in China. I don't know. Firepower makes products all over the world. They're owned by WPS, Western Power Sports. And they've got a big, Western Power Sports has a lot of products like fly racing gear, that kind of stuff. But anyhow, let's get into this one. So very nice tanks on the bottom. This is the bottom tank. This is a 4-stroke one. This is a 2-stroke one. This is the stock one. But nice welding, nice spigots. Also comes with the radiator cap, and it's a 2.0. The stock one is a 1.8, so that extra pressure will keep your bike running a little bit cooler, not a lot, but not cooler, but it will reduce the boiling point, excuse me. Doesn't really make them run cooler. And then the top tank, as you can see, is very nice welds. That spigot for the radiator cap. Right there is a nice billet machine piece that's welded on. So very nice construction. You got the mounting points here for a fan kit. So yes, the fan kits do fit, no problem. And that's why I took my bike apart. And let me tell you, I do not like taking my bike apart when it's running perfect. I don't like taking apart a perfectly good motorcycle, but I did just to sort this all out to make sure those guards fit. I wanted to see if this radiator guard would fit, but it won't. The only difference between this radiator and the ones for the TBI models is this spigot angle right here. So on a TBI, it angles up at about a 45. So if a guy was in a really pinch, they could cut this off and re-weld it on there, I guess. But anyhow, that's the difference. But it's a very nice product for a very reasonable price point. I'm just amazed that they can provide this product to us at this price point. Like I said, nice welds. Everything about the product is very nice. And you can see on this one that there's a few little blems on it. Basically some of these radiator fins, these little bitty tiny fins, they're really fragile. If you even touch them with your finger, you'll nerf them up a little bit. Well, I can see these right here are not quite right. Yeah, there's a couple of bent over ones right there. This radiator over here has a few as well. And if you're wanting something absolutely perfect, well then you're not going to get it, because even the stock radiators, when we order them in, sometimes they have fins that are a little bit nerfed. So this is not, if your fins are nerfed up a little bit from whatever reason, it's not a returnable reason. We will not take it back for that reason. So, and it does not affect the performance of it whatsoever. Plus, this is all covered by either the stock plastic fins or a radiator guard like this. So you never even see it. It has no effect whatsoever. Yes, is it a little bit of a blem? Yes. I assume that somebody touched them with their fingers when they were putting them in the box, because when I pulled them out, that's where they looked. Or maybe I even did it. Who knows? It's a very nice product for an extremely reasonable price. And we've got the listings on our website on all the different models and makes that it fits. These are for KTMs, Husqvarnas, and Gas. And we've got them for 2-strokes and 4-stroke models. So check it out at slavensracing.com. There'll be a link below the video in the description section on how to get to them directly. You can just click on that link and it takes you right to the page. We always do that with all of our products. Guys quite often overlook that, but which is understandable. But just check it out and see if it's a product will work for you. All right, guys, I hope to see you out on the trail. If you would, please like us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. That helps us out a lot. And get off for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.